ladies and gentlemen. This is Azza and Ares Auto. Today I'll be working on a 2002 Toyota 4Runner. A little background story. The key that came with the car, the original owner key, was worn out, so it got stuck on the ignition lock and couldn't get out. So I was called to remove it and fix it. In the process, I discovered that apart from the ignition lock getting damaged by this worn out key, the key is equally worn out. So I now had to cut another key via code. You can see this is the newly cut key. You can see the difference. So, but this worn out key could actually not turn the ignition on, while this newly cut key can actually turn the ignition. So you can see the ignition is on and the security light is off. So I was asked to make a spare key. Now this is the spare key and that is the chip inside for the spare key. To show you that the spare key is not programmed, you can see that the security light is blinking, and when I turn the ignition on, the security light is still blinking, showing that it has not been programmed. But if it was programmed, using this is the already programmed key. This, put the ignition on, the security light is off. So we are going to make a spare key for this car. This is a 4C system. So it's a main key that we are going to make actually. So switch the ignition on with the main key. In this case, which is this key. The ignition is on. Press enter. So it's configuring system. We'll wait. And the security light remains off. So switch off and remove the key within 20 seconds. Then we have to insert the new key in the off position within 10 seconds. So inserted the new key. So it's configuring that I should wait. You can see the light is blinking. Trying to program the new key. This is the process indicating how far to take. To stop this sound, let me close the door. That's the key back. Right, it's almost there. So let's keep looking at the security light. Should go off once it is programmed. I think it has programmed. It's asking if the immobilizer light has extinguished. It has program complete. So we I've completed programming the car with the ignition on. The security light is off, so which means we can start the car with this newly programmed key. Started. This is Azza and RS Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching.